In this video, 11 foods you should not eat raw, and why. Yes, eating raw foods can be a healthy choice for many fruits and vegetables, as it preserves their natural nutrients. However, not all foods are safe or beneficial to consume raw. Studies show that some foods can harbor harmful bacteria, contain toxins, or cause digestive issues if not cooked properly. And so, in this video, we have compiled a list of 11 foods you should avoid eating raw, and the reasons behind it. And without further ado, let's dive into these foods. 1. Potatoes. Why not raw? Well, research has found that raw potatoes contain solanine, a naturally occurring toxin that is known to cause digestive distress, and in severe cases, symptoms like nausea and headaches. Additionally, raw potatoes are high in resistant starch, which is difficult for the human digestive system to break down, leading to bloating and discomfort. Cooked benefits. Yes, cooking potatoes breaks down resistant starch, makes them more digestible, and neutralizes solanine. 2. Eggs. Why not raw? Bear in mind that raw eggs carry the risk of salmonella contamination, a bacterial infection that can cause food poisoning, with symptoms like diarrhea, fever, and abdominal cramps. Here, even pasteurized eggs are not entirely risk-free when raw. Cooked benefits. Cooking eggs eliminates bacteria, but also increases the bioavailability of certain nutrients, such as protein. 3. Chicken. Why not raw? Keep in mind that raw or undercooked chicken is a common source of salmonella and campylobacter bacteria that can cause severe food poisoning. And consuming contaminated chicken can lead to gastrointestinal issues and even more severe infections. Cooked benefits. Yes, the good news is, properly cooking chicken kills harmful bacteria and makes it safe to eat. 4. Red kidney beans. Why not raw? Studies have shown that raw kidney beans contain phytohemagglutinin, a toxin that can cause severe nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. And here, even just a few raw or undercooked beans can trigger these symptoms. Cooked benefits. Yes, cooking kidney beans thoroughly neutralizes the toxin and makes them safe to consume, while preserving their rich nutritional content. 5. Shellfish, like oysters, mussels, and clams. Why not raw? Research has established that raw shellfish can harbor Vibrio bacteria or norovirus, both of which can cause serious foodborne illnesses. And the risk is even higher if the shellfish come from polluted waters. Cooked benefits. Fortunately, cooking shellfish thoroughly kills bacteria and viruses, making them safe to eat. 6. Cassava, also known as yucca. Why not raw? A recent research has found that raw cassava contains cyanogenic glycosides, which are known to release cyanide when consumed. And this can cause cyanide poisoning, leading to symptoms like dizziness, headache, and in severe cases, death. Cooked benefits. Yes, boiling or frying cassava destroys the toxins, making it a safe and nutritious food source. 7. Wild mushrooms. Why not raw? Bear in mind that many wild mushrooms contain toxins that are neutralized through cooking. And health experts have revealed that consuming raw wild mushrooms can lead to digestive issues, allergic reactions, or even poisoning. Cooked benefits. Yes, cooking mushrooms greatly reduces their potential toxicity, but also enhances their flavor. 8. Rhubarb leaves. Why not raw? Another research has discovered that the leaves of rhubarb contain oxalic acid, which can cause kidney stones and other health issues. Now, while the stalks are very safe and commonly used in desserts, the leaves are highly toxic. Cooked benefits. Indeed, rhubarb stalks can be cooked to make them soft and flavorful, while the leaves should always be discarded. 9. Sprouts. Why not raw? Always remember that raw sprouts, such as alfalfa, mung bean, and clover sprouts, can harbor harmful bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella due to the warm, moist conditions in which they are grown. Cooked benefits. Fortunately, cooking sprouts kills bacteria, reducing the risk of foodborne illness. 10. Flour. Why not raw? Research has also established that raw flour can be contaminated with E. coli, especially during processing. And so, consuming raw dough or batter made with raw flour poses a risk of food poisoning. Cooked benefits. Yes, baking or cooking with flour eliminates harmful bacteria and makes it safe to eat. 11. Green beans. Why not raw? Several studies have shown that raw green beans contain lectins, which can cause nausea, vomiting, as well as diarrhea, if consumed in large amounts. Cooked benefits. Yes, cooking green beans reduces lectin levels, making them safe to eat and easier to digest. So, there you are, 11 foods you should not eat raw, and the reasons behind it. And if you know some other foods, let us know them in the comments section below. And in conclusion, remember that while many foods are safe and nutritious in their raw form, others pose significant health risks if not cooked. In this case, cooking helps eliminate harmful bacteria, toxins, and indigestible compounds, making these foods safer and more palatable. As such, understanding which foods require cooking is essential for maintaining a healthy diet and avoiding potential health hazards. So, always handle and prepare food with care to maximize its benefits while minimizing risks. And if you have found value in this video, show your support by subscribing to our channel to get notified whenever we upload new informative and educational videos on this channel. Thank you for watching, and good luck.